Hello, everyone, and welcome back to LifeCrafters Academy. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to relieve stress and relax is essential. And one of the most therapeutic activities we know of is cooking. Join us today as we explore the calming art of cooking for stress relief. Let's get started. Number 1. The therapeutic power of cooking. Before we delve into the recipes, let's talk about why cooking can be such a powerful stress relief tool. Cooking engages all our senses, provides a creative outlet, and allows us to focus on the present moment. It's a form of self-care that nourishes both the body and the soul. Number 2. Mindful cooking and preparation. Our first tip for cooking as stress relief is to practice mindfulness. Start by setting up your kitchen with all the ingredients you need. As you chop, measure, and stir, pay attention to the textures, colors, and scents. Let go of distractions and fully immerse yourself in the cooking process. Number 3. Stress-busting recipes. Now, let's explore some stress-busting recipes that are not only delicious but also soothing to prepare. Our first recipe is a warm, comforting bowl of chicken noodle soup. The aroma of simmering broth, the gentle bubbling on the stove, it's like a warm hug for your soul. And the act of sipping the soup can be incredibly calming. Number 4. Stress relief herbs and ingredients. Consider incorporating stress relief herbs and ingredients into your cooking. Herbs like lavender, chamomile, and basil, as well as ingredients like dark chocolate and whole grains, can have calming effects on the mind and body. Number 5. Cooking as a creative outlet. Remember, cooking is not just about following recipes. Use it as a creative outlet. Experiment with flavors, colors, and presentation. The act of creating something unique can be incredibly satisfying and a wonderful way to express yourself. Number 6. Mindful eating. Once your meal is ready, take the time to savor it mindfully. Sit down, eliminate distractions, and focus on each bite. Appreciate the flavors, textures, and nourishment your meal provides. Number 7. Cooking as a social activity. Cooking can also be a social activity. Invite friends or family to join you in the kitchen. Preparing and enjoying a meal together can foster connection and reduce stress. So, there you have it, cooking for stress relief. It's a practice that combines creativity, mindfulness, and nourishment to help you unwind and find tranquility in your busy life. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just beginning your culinary journey, give it a try and let us know how it makes you feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LifeCrafters Academy for more stress relief tips and delicious recipes. Remember, taking care of your well-being is essential, and cooking can be a delightful way to do just that. Until next time, happy cooking and de-stressing.